नमस्कार येवकार तुमकां सगळ्यांक. सद्याक जेन्ना आमी गोंयच्या रस्त्यार भोंवता किंवा ब्रिजार भोंवता, आमकां डिवायडराचेर किंवा ते ट्राफीक सायनबोर्ड आसता तेजेर सायनबोर्ड ते सायन धाकटे दिसता, पण जे कजिनोचे नांवां जे आसता ते व्हडले दिसता, तेंचे जे सिंबल आसता ते व्हडले दिसता. सद्याक पणजेकार अगेन्स्ट कजिनो हेंच्यांनी कंप्लेंट केल्ली आसा हेज्या बाबतींत की वता थंय पणजेर बॅरिकेड आसूं किंवा सायनबोर्ड आसूं सगळेजेर कजिनो प्रमोट करता. कजिनो इज ऑल्सो गॅम्बलींग जेन्ना इलिगल आहा जाल्यार लायक उदका बीन आमी सगळे कशें प्रमोट करिना तशें हे सुद्दां प्रमोट करपाक जायना म्हणून पणजेकार अगेन्स्ट कजिनो हें म्हणटात.
ॲडवर्टायजमेंट चालू आसा, तुमी पळयला पयशे ना हांकां फ्री ॲडवर्टायजींग कित्याक करप. कितले करोडांनी पयशे तेणी केले आनी थोडे कजिनोन आजून इतले रीण आसा सरकाराक, ते पयशे सुद्दां तेणी फारीक करूं ना.
Panjikar against casino will file the complaint against these casinos if they are using illegal. We've already filed. We filed with the CCI.
We have right now we have asked the commissioner letter घातला आमी कित्याक आमी RTI कित्याक तेणी परमिशन दिला जाल्यार ऑन वॉट बेसीस परमिशन दिला ते आमकां कळपाक जाय. आतां आमी RTI पुलीस हेडक्वॉर्टर्साकूय घातला, तेंचे रिस्पॉन्साक आमी रावता की तेणीन बी CSR बी घेतला जाल्यार आमकां खबर ना, पूण हे कितें ट्रॅफिक सेल आसा, मागीर डिस्ट्रिक्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट आसा न्ही, नॉर्थ गोवा सावथ गोवा आनी आतां कुशावती आसा. सो आमी रिटन इन्फॉर्मेशन सोदला, ते उपरांत आमी डिसायड करतली कितें करपाचें.
But if CCP is the sole agency for advertising in the city, and they are responsible for keeping an eye on what advertisements are there in the city and who is paying and who is not paying. So just outside the commissioner's office, there are boards saying, all the casino ads are there, and the commissioner cannot say that he is not aware of it. We have, in our letter, we have asked the commissioner to immediately remove all of these illegal advertising from the city. And then they can take action on whatever it is, but this has to stop right now.
We saw a very shocking statement the other day made by the MLA of Pranjal, and who's also a minister in this government. And it was on TV, and he says that the casinos are very strong. The casinos are very strong, and it seems that they are running the government. I don't know whether this is true. So we feel that there is rule of law. And if the commissioner or the CCP also, they are afraid of the casinos, if they feel they are very strong for whatever reason, that's why we said we are ready to go with the inspectors from board to board and remove every board. So they should not be frightened. We are there to support them. Nobody's going to beat them up. So we are ready to go with the inspectors if the CCP wants us to go with them. We do not believe that they are strong and they can do what they want in the city and just run over our city with whatever they are doing.
We can help the CCP paint the boards also. We've got lots of people who want to come out and take action.
So we are giving the CCP about a week's time this week, and if nothing happens, then we are going to tell the CCP that come and we'll act. So I would request, I think it's something when it belongs to nobody, it's nobody's, no one wants to take action. I think we need to keep our city clean and free from all this litter of boats which is all over.
It's like Prime Minister visit the state, or for events that feature international delegates like G20 summit, the casino advertisements are hidden with a white cover, which is removed after the leave. Now, why this double standard for VVIPs? Is casino branding meant only for local goers to see and endure? Who has put the barricades is a question that the government has to answer, and there seems to be no accountability for advertising in the city. Can ordinary citizens put up advertisements on barricades? That's what question. Suppose if these advertisements are there, why they put a white cover only when the VVIPs come? आणि ते वतकूच रोखडे मागीर ते व्हाईट कवर काडटा. सो हे एडवर्टिजमेंट कोणाक? आमकां, आमचे भुरग्यांक, गॅमलिंग एडिक्ट जावपाक? Now, Panjim is a heritage city, and the number of casino advertisements on every corner is an assault to the senses. It is an extreme case of visual pollution. तुम्ही पळयला वता थंय कजिनो एडवर्टिजमेंट, राग येता. खूब जाणां म्हणटा हें कितें चल्लां पणजे, जो इमेज जो आमी पणजेचो केला की तो गॅमलिंग कॅपिटल म्हणून. सो आनी खूब जाणांक हें दुखता. सो आमकां हे कजिनो एडवर्टिजमेंट काडपाकूच जाय. पणजेकार अगेन्स्ट कजिनो डिमांड that CCP remove the barricades immediately. If they are finding it difficult because of manpower constraints or other fears, citizens will volunteer and help the CCP to remove the barricades or paint over the unauthorized advertising. Citizens are ready to assist the inspectors to clean up the city of the illegality. And we hope the commissioner will take immediate action this week and clear the city of illegal casino advertising. So आम्ही लेटर दिला अजूनपासून ते बॅरिकेड्स काडूना थोडे कमी जाल्या पूण सरकारा कडेन तर जायना हे इल्लीगल ॲडवर्टिजमेंट काडपाक जाल्यार आमी सगळीं पणजेकार आनी बाकीचेय लोक येवन हे बॅरिकेड्स काडपाक रेडी आसा आनी ते बी आमी पेंट करपाक रेडी आसा. आतां सेरेंडिपिटी टायमार व्हडले व्हडले बिल्डींग पेंट केला तेणी पब्लिकाकूय आमी अलाव करचे हे सगळे बॅरिकेड्स पेंट करपाक. आनी लास्ट अशें हांवें सांगलां की आमी रावता की कमिशनर ताबडतोब हे ॲक्शन घेवचे आनी हे बॅरिकेड्स कजिनो ॲडवर्टिजमेंटाचे आसा ते तेणी ताबडतोब काडचे. देव बरें.
फायनली हे जे ॲडवर्टिजमेंट आहा हे वता कोणाक? सरकाराक वता काय खंयच्या एजन्सीक वता? तो सरकाराक वता जाल्यार खंयच्या डिपार्टमेंटाक वता आनी कितले वता हो एक मोठो प्रश्न पडटा. तुमी पळयतात
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
춥춥게 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 춥춥춥 춥춥춥게 춥춥게 춥춥게 춥춥게.
अरे आप लोग ऐसे छुप छुप के जो खा रहे हो? बीवी तला हुआ खाने नहीं देती
तो बीवी को बोलो पंचामृत के वुडन कोल्ड प्रेस ऑयल से खाना पकाए. नेचुरल प्रोसेस से बने ये सब तेल सेहत के लिए पोषक ही है. कुछ भी खाओ लेकिन हेल्दी खाओ. हेल्दी यानी
पंचामृत.